Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys new coupons to print. Now I print my coupons on Swagbucks every single time because I get points for it. I get 1 point for every coupon that I print, and then when I use them up I get 25 points after I redeem them. So that's how I save up for gift cards for around Christmas time, but they do take a while to get, so just giving you guys a heads up on that. But I'm here to share with you guys new coupons to print, so I'm just going to scroll down because these are all the older ones. But it looks like they did add some really good coupons. We got, I think the CoverGirl's new, but we have $1 off Johnson, which I'm going to print off, $2 off Stay Free or Carefree. It says Stay Free products, but the picture shows Carefree and Stay Free, so I'm not sure exactly what is on there. More CoverGirl. We got 50 cents off Pledge Suavitel for the 44 ounce or larger, so it is the bigger one. I'm going to print that off anyways because you never know. We have a $3 off Dr. Scholl's, a dial, $1 off a 2 for the dial. Here we got 50 cents off wipes, which I always print off because you never know when you're going to have a good deal. But here's a 3 off a 2, the Johnson's Kids. Here is a, was it Bella? I think that's a new one. But $1 off Huggies, $1 off 2 Scrubbing Bubbles. Here's, it says $1 off Stay Free or Carefree, which I'm still going to print that off. $2 off 2 body wash. Leave, I'm going to print that off anyways because there's some deals sometimes at like CVS for those. We got $2 off Gentle Playtex or OB, and then another $1 off. And then we have $1 off mouthwash. Now I always recommend to print the mouthwash coupons because those usually last longer than the ones that we get in the inserts. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. But that seems to be about it for coupons that are new. And then I'm just going to scroll down to the bottom. Ones are still available are all the baby ones for me, and then the $1 off Angel Soft and the Desitin is still available. But just wanted to share with you guys new coupons to print. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye bye.